lot of these paint suits are unfortunately a little baggy, you know, in the frontal area. When you're leaning over the car, a lot of times the suit will touch the wet paint. So what I do is I just wrap myself, you know, wrap yourself with some tape. Come down here. Just keeps it real tight. Less chance of, you know, ruining the paint job. We've painted this area of the vehicle. We painted it and then we taped it up. And we're gonna paint this a different color. So this is white because, you know, it's just overspray from when we were painting the roof. Again, you know, when you slide your tape in, you really have to be very precise. And you can use a Bondo spreader or any type of plastic mechanism like that. That's gonna, you know, you go ahead and you gotta push it. You want to push your tape down really good so that you don't get overspray on the section you've already painted. So this little sucker, you know, comes in handy for stuff like this. I'm going to show you how to create an almost lint-free, dirt-free paint job. The trick is, I've got 3 coats on right now. I'm getting ready to put the 4th coat, but right before that 4th coat, I'm going to scuff the surface with 1000 grit wet or dry paper. That's the trick. The reason this little trick is so important is because if you don't get it out now, it's not coming out. If it's underneath the clear, you're not going to get the dirt out because it's buried under the clear. And you will see it, especially if it's a metallic paint job. If it's a solid color job, if it's black, white, red, solid color, no metallic, you won't see them, usually, 90% of the time. But metallic jobs, you will see a reflection of the metallic on the dirt and lint. So get it out prior to clearing it and it looks awesome. It's going to look nice. When you make the wrong fender flares work on the wrong truck, you gotta hack it up. Does that rhyme? Okay, so we're finished with the Jeep. It's painted, ready for delivery. The customer's gonna take it home and finish putting it together. We've got an LS engine in it. We got 2 hoods that we molded together to make one 72 Jeepster with a regular CJ rear. It's all been welded together. Rockers were cut off. Tops painted. By the way, this was sanded, stripped down to the bare metal. All the body work done, primed, all the body work done and painted. Molded the fender flares. Got all the jams painted. It's ready to go. It's ready to go home. Customer's gonna put his tail lights, bumpers, trim, and everything else on. Hey, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more here at Lawless Customs in Slidell, Louisiana.